All right, let's do another situation. So we have 858 divided by 5. My first step, division. 8 divided by 5, or again, 5 goes into 8 one time. My next step, multiplication. 1 times 5 is 5. My third step is subtraction. And my last step is to bring down this 5. Then I repeat it. 5 goes into 35 7 times. Multiplication, 7 times 5 is 35. Subtraction, 0. Bring down the 8. Repeat it again. 1 into 8, 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5. I subtract and I get 3. Well, at this point in your years past, you would have said 171 remainder 3. The bad part about this is I can't do any other math steps from that. I can't do anything with an R3. So we're going to express this remainder as a fractional part. So the next thing that we do is we place a decimal and add a 0, okay, or annex a 0. That does not change the value of this number. I first bring up my decimal point so I don't forget it. Then I bring down my 0. And now 5 goes into 30 6 times, and 6 times 5 is 30, and now I end up with a remainder of 0. So my answer is 171.6. So 719 divided by 6. We're going to start the same way. Okay, 6 goes into 7 once, multiply, subtract, bring down. 6 goes into 11 once, multiply, subtract, bring down. 6 goes into 59 9 times. Okay, multiply, subtract, bring down. So now again, I have this leftover number here. So I'm going to express it as a fractional part. Put my decimal point, okay, add a 0, bring it down. 6 goes into 50. Oh, sorry, I forgot to bring up my decimal point. 8 times. I get to 48. Subtract. I still have a leftover number here. So what do? Well, I add another 0 and I bring that down. And 6 goes into 20 3 times. That's 18. Oh, that still didn't get to where I'm going. So what do? Well, it depends on what you're using this number for. Okay, if it's money, I need to go 2 places after my decimal. Okay, some places you only want to go to the 10th. So if I were to round to the 10th, this number would be 119.8. If I needed money, I need to go one more place. Let me just zoom out a little bit. One more place. So I have to subtract. I get my 2. So that means I need to put another 0 and bring it down. And that's going to be, again, 3. So if it's money, now when I round, it would be $119.83. So again, it depends on your use. There might not be an end to your decimal like in the example before.